Hello friends, how's it going? I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm having a pretty good day because we hit a pretty big milestone, for me at least, pretty exciting. I hit 100 subscribers. So first of all, I just wanted to say thank you. Whether you've been watching my videos since the beginning or you've literally never seen me before right now, or you're anywhere in between, of course. Thank you. Your support means a lot to me, so I'm very excited today. And as a little celebration, I'm going to be making some madeleines. I haven't made any in a while, and they're favorite around here. So today I'm going to be making some madeleines. Pretty exciting. This video was inspired by an old video of Amanda Mariana, so I will link that below, and I'm also going to link the recipe I'm using. I just found it on Pinterest, so I don't know. I've tried it before. I am going to be making a few adjustments due to necessity. We do not have any lemons, so I will not be using lemon zest. I could use orange zest. We'll see. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get all the ingredients together, and then I will chat with you a little bit. So let's get started. First, I have to make some brown butter. Delicious. Butter is currently browning, and I'm going to measure out some vanilla. And so it calls for 2 teaspoons of vanilla, but I like to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of raspberry extract. I think it just adds a little extra something, you know. I love raspberry. I've had quite the journey here on YouTube so far. I've been making videos on and off, mostly off, for like 6 years now. So I didn't really start taking it seriously until the beginning of this year. So I'm quite happy with the progress I've made so far, and it only goes up from here, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just really excited about this whole thing. It's giving me some nice sort of affirmations, I guess. Is that the right word? I feel like it's not. I don't know. Anyway, I am gonna put a little bit of orange zest in just for kicks. Orange isn't my favorite citrus, but I think just a little touch of citrus zest will do nicely in here. Gotta keep my eye on the butter because I will get distracted and it will burn. And we do not want that. If you've never made brown butter before, it is delicious, okay? It's incredible. Highly recommend adding it to like cookies and stuff. Are madeleines technically cake or cookies? Because I think I saw this recipe, like the blog post about it, refer to both, so I don't know. I just put the extract and orange zest in this little bowl, so the butter is gonna get mixed in here. I think I'll mix the dry ingredients next. I don't really know what I'm doing, to be honest with you, but it's fine. It's fine. Oh. This thing is so heavy. Alright, my egg mixture is all mixed up. It's looking very thick and airy, which is good. So now I'm going to add in my flour mixture. Fold that in. Folding is not my biggest skill baking wise, but I'll get the job done. You know what I mean? It'll happen. It might just take a while. I could talk a bit about my history on YouTube. I don't know if anybody finds that interesting, but I started this channel I think when I was in 8th grade, and my content was I thought it was really cool at the time. Now I'm like, yeah, you can really tell I was 13, huh? I feel like I'm starting to actually like find the kinds of videos I like to make and how I like to edit. I'm getting there, which is really exciting. If you're not familiar with me, I guess, I basically just make videos like whatever I'm feeling that day, mostly about books. You know, I started with more of a focus on fashion, and so I still like to bring that in every once in a while because, like, the way I dress is a big part of the way I express who I am. I feel like that's the case with a lot of people, so I like to bring that in as well. I think my favorite thing to film is probably vlogs, but I'm still finding like how I like to edit those. I feel like I'm not fully happy with my editing style quite yet on vlogs, but we're getting there, so that's good. Yeah, I basically just want to like bring lots of peaceful, cozy vibes, and so I hope that I'm doing that. I really enjoy making videos, and so I hope you enjoy watching them. Back to the baking. All the flour is folded in, so now I'm going to fold in my butter mixture. It's got the extract and orange zest in there as well. Almost finished here. And then this will go in the fridge for 4 hours, and I will see you after that. Delicious. Okay. In the fridge, this will go, and I will check back with you in about 4 hours. Hello, I am back, and I'm gonna get ready to prepare everything. I don't know, the batter has been in the fridge for 3.5 hours, and so I'm going to prepare the oven. And I have my Madeleine tray right here. It fits 12, I think. Yes, 12 Madeleines at a time. I think I'll have 2 batches, but this is all we can do at a time, so I'll have to bake it twice. It says, the recipe says to butter and flour it, but I tried that one time and it's stuck. So we're just gonna use cooking spray instead because that works. Alrighty, got my first batch. I'll put up in here, I don't know. Into the oven for about 12 minutes. Hopefully they turn out well. I never know how much to fill the mold because I feel like the cake rises a lot more than I expected to. Anyway, I think in the meantime I'm gonna make some tea because it's like the perfect time of day for tea time, and who doesn't love a good Madeleine with some tea? Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go get started on that. Here they are. As you can see, they are puffing up, which is nice. The other batch didn't really do that. So I'm glad that the second batch is looking better. Alright, it's time for my taste test. I got one from each batch, so hopefully, I think this one will probably be better. Anywho. Always gotta dust them with powdered sugar, it's always better. Anyway, these are very good. I'm quite impressed with myself. They don't look right, but it's fine. They taste good. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for your support in whatever form it comes in. If you enjoyed this video, perhaps consider liking it and subscribing. I'd love to see your beautiful face here again next Sunday for another exciting video. Just thank you. Go do something nice for yourself today, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye.